You asked, how do I make a personal budget? I'll explain faster than I can do 20 push-ups. A budget can help anyone understand their spending habits, avoid debt, prepare for emergencies, and reach their financial goals. 1. Finding a tool that helps you organize your budget can be a big help. It could be anything from an Excel spreadsheet to an app that you download on your phone. 2. Identify all your sources of income. Use your bank statement to identify precisely how much money you make. You could add up all your deposits, and that'll tell you how much you have coming in every month. Don't be lazy. Oh, sorry, I was talking to myself. 3. A good personal budget includes 3 spending categories. Fixed expenses, that's like your rent or your phone bill. Variable expenses, that's groceries or restaurants or shopping. And infrequent or annual expenses, like insurance or your driver's license renewal or your annual ski pass. 4. Experts typically recommend putting 10 to 20% of your gross income towards savings. Now, I know, that might be painful at first, but no pain, no gain.
Easy for you to say.
When you deduct expenses from income, you'll find out if you're at a deficit or not. If you are, you might need to make a few cuts to your budget. Maybe you're like me, and you spend way too much on stylish activewear. If you have a deficit, it's easier to cut down on variable expenses like restaurants or shopping. But if you have any money left over, you can pay off some debt or put some into savings in case an emergency comes up. Now that you know how to do it, stay on top by keeping track of your budget month to month. It's all part of getting into great shape financially. I think I'm done. How about you?
Only one left.
You wish.